Stop! This is the great Dragon Master. The son of Stoy the Vast. What shame he must feel.
All of this loss. And for what? To become unstoppable? To rule the world? Dragons, they are kind, amazing creatures that can bring people together.
Keep her busy.
Tear them apart. You see, I know what it is to live in fear. See my village burn, my family taken. But even as a boy, left with nothing. I vowed to rise above the fear of dragons and liberate the people of this world.
Then why a dragon army?
Nothing. You want to see
Army.
Well, you need dragons to conquer other dragons.
Or maybe you need dragons to conquer people. To control those who follow you. And to get rid of those who won't.
Clever boy.
The world wants peace. And we have the answer back on Burke. Just let me show.
nothing. You want to see
Let me show you. Hiccup! Come on, Gobber! Okay, change up.
Keep on the circle! Start digging down!
No dragon can resist the Alpha's command. So he who controls the Alpha owns them all.
Toothless, you okay, bud? What's going on? Toothless, you okay, bud? What's going on?
Witness true strength. Strength of will over all. In the face of it, you are nothing.
What did he just tell you?
Well, keep him.
Toothless! Come on! What's the matter with you? No, come on. What are you doing? Knock it off!